It's like putting on your makeup. The process, the getting there is not pretty, but at the end,
I promise it's gonna be pretty.
Hey y'all, for the holidays in the South, we can't just decorate the house. We take it all the way down the driveway to the mailbox. I have brought in some reinforcements to this idea house in Louisville, Kentucky. Katie Jacobs, my dear friend and Southern Living contributor, has come with mailbox accessories in tow.
We're ready.
We are so ready to decorate this. We're gonna make a mailbox swag, I guess.
Yes.
That's the formal word for it.
So this is actually a kit that comes from Gracious Garlands. They send you all the greenery and equipment that you need to build your mailbox, but don't feel stunted by that. You can totally cut things out of your yard. The evergreens, cut them off the bottom of your Christmas tree and save them for your mailbox. Don't throw them out. We've got magnolia. A great tip though is to grab a little swag of garland. I'm gonna show you how we use that, but that's a kind of a leg up in this situation. Pine cones are great. And then
get your kids involved.
Absolutely.
Pick them up out of the yard.
Love. And then the bigger the bow, the better. So to assemble this, we're just gonna use floral wire. I've got floral wire on a paddle, and then just some little clippers to cut that wire. But this is all you need to decorate your mailbox. So we're gonna start with this pine garland, and we're gonna wrap it around the top of our mail. Now we have a very interesting mailbox here at the Idea House. Sometimes people have the brick mailboxes or the built stone mailboxes where you can do it on top. Or if you have a post here, you can attach all of this to that post.
Exactly.
So we're kind of attaching everything to the top, and we're gonna wrap it around the bottom and attach it to the other side. So this will kind of be our base that we're gonna kind of feed everything into and underneath this garland. So I like to start with the evergreens. These are like Christmas tree clippings.
You can get these for free off of your own Christmas tree, or you could go to a Christmas tree farm and ask them for their clippings. I've done that millions of times.
Yeah, go to a stand and they save their clippings just for things like this because they know. So we're just feeding left and right. There's no wrong way to do this. I always say, hate it until you love it.
I love that saying.
Yeah,
that is such a decorating
keep going
thing.
and going, and you're gonna hate it, and you're like, don't watch me do it while people are standing there.
It's like putting on your makeup. The process, the getting there is not pretty, but at the end,
I promise it's gonna be pretty. Different evergreens from your yard add different textures.
I love that. It's different. That's a good tip for inside decorating too. Don't stick to one greenery.
Okay, so we're just creating height, and then it's just, we're just keep tucking underneath that kind of strap that we made with the garland right when we came out.
Height and layers and textures and different colors, like that's the secret.
Okay, so I like to attach pine cones with the wire. So you take a piece of wire and wrap it around.
Okay, so
kind of
easy.
the bottom of that pine cone. And then you can attach one on that side. Doesn't matter where. Just kind of like an ornament. Okay, and then the key is just to fluff.
I think that's a secret to life. Just fluff it up. It'll sound a lot better, look a lot better.
Right? It's fun to go traditional red. We have gone to match the mailbox, kind of a glittery gold and white, which I think just adds a little sophistication, but nothing can beat a bright red velvet bow.
I agree. Look at that. Did we do it?
I think we did it.
This took us.
We did it.
Okay, now I will say we had all of our supplies out in the ready, but it took us all of, I think, 15 minutes. So it's not that much more time to add to your Christmas decorating.
Absolutely.
And boost your curb appeal. This is so pretty and it was so easy. So y'all should definitely decorate your mailbox if you don't do it already. I think it is like a must in the South.
For sure.
Okay, y'all know what to do. If you like this episode, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you're watching on YouTube, click the bell so you never miss an episode of Hey Y'all. Be sure to tag Katie and I on Instagram with all of your mailbox creations. We would love to see them. I will see y'all next week on Hey Y'all. Happy holidays.